Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview Lomart Sky Harbor 12-foot by 52-inch steel frame swimming pool and accessories. Family fun is right around the corner. This Lomart Sky Harbor 12-foot round steel frame pool is just what you need to spice up your backyard activities, complete with a durable design and plenty of space to splash and play. The low-profile Compaq supports are just 9 inches beyond the side wall, which accommodates larger pools in smaller backyards. This pool comes with everything you need to get set up, including a liner, sand filter and pump combo, A-frame ladder, and thru-wall skimmer. Summertime outdoors has never been better than with the Sky Harbor 12-foot swimming pool. Product benefits: features heavy copper-bearing walls and steel frame. Staggered bolt wall closure provides maximum strength and overall wall stability. Includes 16-inch sand filter and 1.5 horsepower pump combo. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.